Okay, before you use WPS, okay, which is when you click on the Wi-Fi settings, WPS. Okay, before you use it to connect to your MiFi, you want to connect through WPS. Make sure you enable this. Okay, make sure you click here. When it's here, you can click apply, and if it's enabled, when it's enabled, okay, you can now go and connect. From now on, you will be connecting through WPS. Okay, when you want to connect through WPS, okay, when you see this message while connecting, this is 5G. You want to connect to this 5G. Here you see connect automatically. Look at this. You can also connect by pushing the button on the router. That means the PBC is enabled, and by pressing that button you can also connect to it. Okay, this is for 5G. Okay, this is for 4G. Okay, this is 4G, and this is 5G. Okay, so let me disconnect. Whenever you want to, okay, I've disconnected from it. Now if you want to connect to it and you click connect, if you see like this now, if you press the button it will not work because it's not enabled. But if you go to this and press on it and click connect, if you see this, it shows by pressing the WPS. By pressing the WPS you can connect to this, because this is showing. So I can connect to this 5G by pressing that button, and I cannot connect to this 4G because it did not show. If I want it to show, I will go first of all enable it, but have to go inside and enable PBC first. It's enable disabled by default, so I'll go and enable it, and I will try to see this one will show that thing. So let me go and first of all enable it. I will deliberately connect with the normal password. I will log in. Okay, I'm connected, so let me go in now. Okay, I'm there, so I'll log in. I will go and okay, connect there. Fine. Now go to WPS. I enable it. If I check this now and click apply, okay, is enabled. So it's enabled. Even if I log out now and go and disconnect, okay, if I disconnect and then forget to clear the password, when I clear it, if I want to connect again and click here, click connect, it show you can also connect by pushing the button because the PBC is enabled on 4G. So it's enabled. So whenever you see this, show you can press the button, and you can use by pressing the button, just it will go in. Okay, I also want to connect to this. Okay, let me connect. I'm not pressing the button. Let me just connect normally. Press there. Okay, I've connected to this. Now I want to log on to this router now. This is 5G. I want to log on to 5G now. It's still the same 12.168.0.1. Okay, you see the interface is different to show you I'm logging on to 5G. Okay, so this is the 5G interface. This is the 5G interface. Okay, if you go to Wi-Fi settings, click here and go to WPS. You click on WPS, you still see same thing. Okay, so this is where you enable or disable WPS for 5G router. So this can enable Wi-Fi switch. You can switch Wi-Fi here.
Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and help me share. Thank you for watching. Bye.